Trading in your old car can be a convenient way to get rid of it and get some money towards a new one. Here are the steps you can follow. Determine the value of your car. Research the market value of your car online or through a Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds appraisal. Consider factors like your car's make, model, year, mileage, condition, and features to get an accurate estimate. Contact dealerships for trade-in quotes. Get trade-in quotes from multiple dealerships to compare their offers. Provide them with the details of your car and its condition to receive accurate quotes. Negotiate the trade-in value. Once you have quotes from several dealerships, negotiate the trade-in value with each one. Aim to get the highest possible price for your car. Clean up your car. Before taking your car for trade-in, clean it up thoroughly to make it more presentable. Wash and wax the exterior, vacuum the interior, and remove any trash or personal belongings. Gather necessary documents. Prepare all the necessary documents for the trade-in, including the car's title, registration, maintenance records, and proof of insurance. Inspect the new car. If you're buying a new car as part of the trade-in, take the time to inspect it thoroughly before finalizing the deal. Test drive the car, check for any signs of damage or wear and tear, and negotiate the price if necessary. Complete the paperwork. Once you've agreed on the trade-in value and the details of the new car purchase, complete all the necessary paperwork. Sign the sales agreement, registration documents, and financing documents. Receive payment and hand over the car. Receive the agreed upon trade-in value and hand over the keys, title, and registration certificate of your old car to the dealership. Remember to choose reputable dealerships and carefully review all paperwork before signing. Don't hesitate to ask questions and negotiate the best deal possible for your trade-in.